Tracking conversion rates from sent proposals can be a game changer for improving your sales strategy. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to track those conversion rates accurately and efficiently so you can measure your proposal success and optimize your sales process. Stick with me till the end because I'll reveal a tool I've tested that makes this process super simple, and I've got an exclusive free trial link for you. First, let's define conversion rates in this context. Conversion rate from sent proposals is the percentage of proposals that turn into actual deals. To track this effectively, you need to monitor two key pieces of data: how many proposals you've sent and how many of those have resulted in signed agreements or sales. To get started, the most important step is setting up a clear system for tracking. Most CRMs, including the software we'll be using, have built-in features for proposal tracking. You'll want to make sure you're logging each proposal you send. For each proposal, note the date sent, the potential client's details, and any specific terms agreed upon. This gives you a baseline to measure from. Once that's in place, it's time to track how many of those proposals convert into sales. The easiest way to do this is to connect your CRM's proposal tracking tool with your sales pipeline. When a proposal is accepted and a deal closes, you can easily tag that proposal as one in your CRM. Over time, this will help you track conversion rates from all your sent proposals automatically. But tracking is not just about having data, it's about analyzing it. After a few weeks or months of collecting data, take a look at the overall conversion rate. If you're seeing a low conversion rate, it might be time to dig deeper. Are your proposals targeting the right clients? Are they structured well? Or do you need to follow up more effectively? By analyzing your proposal success rate, you can pinpoint weak areas and improve. Now, there's an even better way to track conversion rates, and that's by using our recommended software. This software simplifies everything: automating the tracking of sent proposals, following up with clients, and generating reports on your conversion rates. You'll be able to get a clear picture of which proposals are winning and which aren't, so you can tweak your approach to maximize your chances of closing deals. I've tested it, and trust me, it's the easiest way to track conversion rates from sent proposals. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and see how it works for yourself. This trial is only available to viewers of this channel. As a key takeaway, remember, tracking your conversion rates from sent proposals is essential for understanding your sales success and refining your strategy. With the right tracking system in place, like the one we've covered, you'll have the insights needed to optimize your sales process and boost your closing rate. To quickly recap, set up tracking in your CRM, log each proposal, connect it to your sales pipeline, analyze your conversion rates regularly, and consider using our software to automate and simplify the process. And don't forget to grab the free trial in the description below to follow along and start tracking your proposals more effectively. Thanks for watching.